In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change item height on Monday.com. If you want to make your board easier to read or simply adjust how much information appears in each row, changing the item height is a quick and useful customization. This can help you create a cleaner layout, especially if your board feels too cramped or, on the other hand, if you want a more compact view so you can see more items at once. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want to adjust the item height. Once you're on the board, look just below the tabs near the top of the board area. There, you'll find a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click that three-dot icon. This menu gives you access to additional board view options and display settings that aren't shown directly on the main screen. After the menu opens, look for the option labeled Item Height. Click on Item Height to open the available sizing choices. This setting controls how tall each item row appears in your board, so it directly affects the overall spacing and readability of your content. Once you've opened the item height options, choose the height that works best for you. Depending on your workflow, you may prefer a smaller height to fit more items on the screen, or a larger height if you want better visibility and more breathing room between rows. If your board contains long text, multiple updates, or lots of visual information, a taller item height can make things easier to scan. If you're focused on reviewing many items quickly, a shorter height may be the better choice. As soon as you select your preferred height, the board will update to reflect the new setting. You can immediately review how it looks and decide whether it improves your workflow. If not, you can always return to the same menu and switch to a different height. This is a simple setting, but it can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable your board is to use day to day. Small display changes like this are especially helpful when you're managing large boards or collaborating with a team that needs a clear, organized view. And that's all it takes to change item height on Monday.com. Once you know where to find the setting, it only takes a few seconds to update your board and tailor the layout to your preference.